Hey everyone, today we're talking about a surprise upgrade for the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. They now support Google Gemini with some seriously cool features, including full use with your phone locked and hands-free hot word activation. Let's go ahead and break it down. Samsung just rolled out an update that brings Google's Gemini Assistant right to your Buds 3 Pro. This means you can now get smarter responses, more natural conversations, and tighter integration with your apps, all without touching your phone. One of my favorite features is that you can now use Gemini even when your phone is locked. No more pulling it out of your pocket or unlocking the screen. Just speak and Gemini's got you covered. Now it's truly hands-free. Just say, "Hey Google," and start your command. No button presses, no gestures. Whether you're cooking, working out, or having your hands full, it just works. With Gemini in your Buds 3 Pro, you can do way more than just play music. Ask follow-up questions, get summaries, send messages, or even control your smart home, all while your phone stays in your pocket. To enable Gemini on your Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, make sure your phone has the latest Google and Galaxy wearable app updates. Then head into the settings and switch the default assistant to Gemini. This update takes the Buds 3 Pro from great sounding earbuds to a truly smart companion. The ability to use Gemini with the phone locked and hands-free makes them more useful than ever. Have you tried it yet? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button, consider subscribing to the channel, and click the bell notification so you're updated when new videos get uploaded. As always, I appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you in our next video.